The overall goal of the knowledge-based cloud FE simulation method is to combine specialties from different fields in a single portal to enhance the capability and accuracy of forming process simulations without significantly increasing the difficulty of using them.
This method can help answer key questions in the sheet metal forming field, such as setting the parameters to form a component successfully and predicting the lifetime of forming tools.
A major strength of this methodology is that it enables advanced predictive models to be utilized with any FE simulation software without requiring any modifications to the models themselves.
Generally, individuals new to this method will be able to utilize it with very little difficulty because of the streamlined user interface.
Visual demonstration will show how straightforward it really is to encompass advanced predictive models in conventional FE simulations.
This section covers how KBC-FE computing can be used to predict formability in a hot stamping process. Start a new project in the FE simulation software. Select the process as Stamp Hot Forming and the solver type as PAM AutoStamp when saving the project. Next, import the door inner die by first clicking on the Import Tools CAD. Name the imported object as die. Toggle the hot forming strategy to mesh the tools, then import and transfer the door inner IGS geometry file into the graphical interface. Now, repeat the process to import the punch and blank holder. Next, under the Setup tab, click on Blank. Then, in the Blank Editor,